Hi, Brittany. Dana actually told me to send the screencast over. My name's Corey, by the way. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how to actually get more quality traffic to your website and really closing down more of those deals that you're looking for as well. So, the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Just looking at your site real quick. So really going over this, your site, first off, your site isn't secure. You might want to go make that secure first off, and really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need a more content in there, so that way you can be found for those keywords that you're actually trying to be found for as well. Even these little images, what they're saved as, that all this is all content. You got financing available. Change that out to some more specific keywords. That's just going to make it help with your rankings even more. Now, if I go inside of Google here and type in AC Repair Pensacola, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. These are actually brand new. They came up with these to get rid of some of these old school ads, which they actually put those at the bottom now. A lot of people have been going away with these ads just because they've been spammy. They put up ad blockers, so a lot of ads aren't even getting through to a lot of people anyway. So they came up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. I've seen some of these ads anywhere from $30 to $140 a click. It really depends on the area and really the how aggressive people are running ads in certain keywords. Anyway, I don't know if you're doing ads, but I'll see here in a minute. But underneath the ad section, we have this little map area here, and really to get the rankings here to be in the top here really comes down to what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really, what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map area, this is really this is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. This is what comes down to this is the first page of Google, and it really comes down to having that authoritative content on your website, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. Now, if I go in and take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. So it looks like you got 42 referring domains, which is pushing back 195 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 4,000. Seems like you got this site started back in 2013 or so. The PPC stands for pay per click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads on a off of Google here. But I don't know if you're doing ads off of TV commercials. I know those get pretty pricey as well. So anyway, coming in and see where these 144 clicks are actually coming from. Comes from these keywords. This is how your website's actually being found for. You have a lot of your name here at the top. You got AC Repair Pensacola. That's a keyword there. 90 clicks, your ninth position. So you're getting a little bit of traffic on that. Heating and Air Pensacola FL, 40 clicks, 7th position. Getting a little traffic. HVAC Pensacola, 16th position. There's 100 clicks with that HVAC Pensacola. You're missing all the traffic completely because you're on the second page. Yeah, just you got a lot of your name as well. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Boutwell's Air Masters. Stick them inside of Ahrefs. You know, this shows their position that they have, the amount of traffic that they're getting per keyword, and the volume coming from each keyword as well. So, kind of give you an example here: AC Repair Pensacola. There's 90 clicks for that one keyword. He's getting 31 clicks to his website every month. He's holding down first position with that keyword, so decent rate of return with only 90 clicks coming in as well. This one right here, he's second position, and he's getting 30 clicks out of 250. So something's not right with that keyword to his website. Something's not optimized, because this should be a lot higher, especially holding down second position. Anyway, really coming in through these keywords and figuring out what's going to actually work for you to help you drive more traffic and really close down more of those deals that you're looking for. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to reach back out if you think I have a few tricks up my sleeve, or just give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you. Bye.